Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to fix Starfield's new Atlantis ship technician vendor missing. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to save the game and then restart it. They may have been occasional game malfunctions that caused issues while gaming. So save your current game progress, restart the game, and check if the technician or the vendor is still missing or not. And then second fix is you can check for updates. So if the error persists, then check for updates, and if any updates are available, just promptly install them. So updating Starfield should resolve the new Atlantis ship technician or vendor missing issue that has been caused by a bug. So to do that, here are the steps for checking for updates for Starfield on your Steam. So you can go ahead and open the Steam client in your computer and then just click onto the library. And then just find the Starfield in your game list of games. And if there's an available or an update available, it should automatically start downloading. And if there's no update available, you can try restarting Steam on your computer to see if that triggers an update. And then for the Xbox, you can turn on your Xbox console and then press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide and navigate to the profile and system and select settings. Select this system and then go to the update section, and if there's an available for Starfield, it should be listed here. So follow the prompts to download and install the update. So that's how you can check for updates. And remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And the next fix is you can verify the game file. So if in case there is no update available or updating didn't fix the issue, then try verifying the game files of the Starfield. So this would look for any missing or corrupted files that might be causing this issue. So here are the steps for verifying game files for Starfield. So open for Steam, you can go ahead and follow this one. So open the Steam client on your computer and click onto the library tab and right click on the Starfield and then select the properties and select the local files tab. Click on to the verify integrity of the game files and just wait for the process to complete. And once the process is complete, any missing or damaged files will be replaced with new ones. And then next is for the Xbox. So if you're using Xbox, you just need to open your Xbox console and then navigate to the Starfield game icon on your home screen, and then just press the options button on your controller, select the manage game and add-ons, select save data and select delete all. So just confirm that you want to delete all saved data and you now can restart the game and check if that fixes the problem. And if it didn't, what you can do is to contact the Starfield support. So if the previous solutions didn't help, you can reach out now to the Starfield support for expert assistance. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.